I'm Mami Chel, ang inyong doktor ng manggagawa. So ngayon, sabayan niyo ako sa aming travel series. Last April 27 to 31 ay pumunta ang pamilya ko papuntang Singapore for the first time. So instead of celebrating the birthday of my eldest son, pinili na lamang namin mag-travel para makagawa ng mga bagong core memories. We booked the ticket last February, that's why medyo may kamahalan yun na yung ticket na nakuha namin. We booked our tickets via Cebu Pacific and it is from Cebu to Iloilo, Iloilo to Singapore. Our total fare is about 25,020 pesos for a total of 4. Sayang nga lang kasi di kami nakabili ng ticket during the seat sale. We departed from Cebu International Airport at around 5 p.m. and then from Iloilo to Singapore at around 10 p.m. That's why nakalapag na po kami ng Changi International Airport at around 1 a.m. Sa immigration naman, ang tinanong lang naman sa akin is kung anong trabaho ko, first time ba namin to, at kung kailan yung balik namin. For the sake of this video, ilalagay ko dito kung ano yung mga pinipare namin for the immigration. We traveled for a total of 3.5 hours from Iloilo going to Singapore. At eto na nga, excited na nga kami.
Yung Singapore City. So we're taking landing. Oh yeah, we'll just go back. We'll just stop for landing. Huh? Oh, yes, we're landing. Wow! Oh my God!
We arrive at 1:35 a.m. So medyo ngarag na kami dito at medyo pagod na talaga. But it's all worth it.
Yeah.
So we arrived at the Changi International Airport Terminal 4.
Singapore City.
So pagdating namin, dumiretso na agad kami sa immigration which is automated na din. So at least 72 hours prior to your departure, kailangan makapag-accomplish na kayo ng inyong e-travel as well as your Singapore arrival card.
We're going to the hotel of Singapore.
So after namin dumaan sa immigration, ito na kami at kukunin na namin ang aming bagahe. For this whole trip, nag-share lang kaming apat sa isang 20 kilograms na maleta at meron naman kaming tag sa 7 kilos na mga hand carry. So from the airport to our hotel, nag-book na lang kami ng Grab para medyo convenient naman sa part namin at since meron kami isang malaking maleta. So from the Changi International Airport Terminal 4 to our accommodation, which is the Butternut Tree Hotel at Chinatown, we paid a total of 28.60 Singaporean dollars or 1,370 pesos. We booked our accommodation via Agoda and we stayed at Butternut Tree Hotel at Tech Lim Road, Chinatown. At ang rate nito ay 4,136 pesos per day. So since we arrived at around 2 a.m., natulog muna kami at nagising at around 7 a.m. para mag-ayos at pumunta sa aming first itinerary, which is your Universal Studios Singapore. So again, ito yung appearance ng hotel namin na which is the Butternut Tree Hotel here in Tech Lim Road sa Chinatown. Ito, so nag-picture-picture muna kami at umikot-ikot unti malapit dito sa hotel, saka nag-decide na kami maghanap ng aming makakainan. So sa Singapore po, napakadali nating mag-navigate, no? Pwede nating gamitin ang ating Google Maps. So dito, malapit lang yung hotel namin doon sa parang Chinatown, no? Sa palengke, kaya naghanap na lang kami ng makakainan. At ang pinakamadali na nakainan namin is yung McDonald's. So, isang pagkakamali din namin na nagawa dito is hindi kami nag-search ahead of time, no, para sa mga nearby na mga restaurants at mga makakainan na. Kaya medyo naliligaw-ligaw pa kami dito.
How I wish Philippines is like this, right?
Yeah.
So, after eating breakfast, we decided to go already sa Universal Studios. So, dito nag-grab na lang talaga kami, which is convenient na rin at direct. Nakapunta na kami mga around 10 a.m. and this is on a Tuesday. So, medyo manageable lang yung dami ng tao around or within the Universal Studios. So, we took the Grab coming from Chinatown going sa Universal Studios Singapore and it took us about 10 to 15 minutes ang biyahe. According to Google Map, if magti-take naman kami ng MRT, it will take us about 30 minutes from the Chinatown going to the USS. So I can say, no, I was really impressed with how clean Singapore is and napaka-organized ng kanilang traffic system, MRT and bus as well. So this is us, no, bumabiyahe kami at yung driver namin ay napakabait. Binibigyan niya kami ng tip kung saan kami mauuna pumunta and at the same time kung saan niya kami i-recommend na ibaba para mas mabilis ang aming pagpunta doon sa Universal Studios Singapore. Dito sa Singapore, no, mostly ng mga sasakyan nila dito ay EV na or electric vehicle, which is amazing at the same time. Yung mga BYD nila dito parang ginagawa nila nilang Grab or taxi and it's something to look forward and refreshing sa paningin. So, pwede naman kayo magbayad ng cash or via credit card. Let's say cash and then or gusto nyo mag-shift into credit card na payment, no? Meron naman silang mga machine na ready to tap na yung mga card nila. So, very efficient talaga yung kanilang transportation here in Singapore. So, binaba kami ng Grab driver dito sa may casino part ng Sentosa Resorts and Casino. Kasi sabi niya, just walk, no? Just walk and then turn right. So, pag right doon namin, may mga kami makikita escalator. So, akit lang kami doon, then turn right again. Then, Universal Studios na doon. So, very efficient, very ano talaga sila. Medyo helpful sila dito when it comes to mga tourist. Sinasabi ko, no, upon entering, just turn right, makikita nyo na yung escalator, and then go up sa escalator, and turn right again, Universal Studios na. By the way, doon po sa pag-akit nyo, and then turn left, bali, nandun yung oceanarium nila, which is hindi na namin napuntahan. So, medyo nakakamangha lang dito, no, picture kami ng picture, kung saan-saan. Nakakamangha lang kasi yung buong Singapore because pinapahalagahan talaga nila yung kanilang kalikasan, like talaga maraming puno dito, kaya medyo presko pa rin naman ang hangin kahit mainit na.
See ya.
So, pag-akit nyo sa escalator, dire-diretso lang kayo and then turn right for the Universal Studio. Pag-akit nyo, nasa kaliwa yung Oceanarium, which is hindi na namin talaga napuntahan kasi medyo gahol na rin kami sa oras. So, mas pinili na lang namin ang Universal Studios. But ito, nagpa-picture na lang din naman kami.
Where?
Yeah. We book our ticket via Klook. And for adults, it's 3,243 and for children, it's 3,102 pesos. Where are we going?
Legoland.
Okay, one of the boys will do it.
Okay, one of the boys, Teo.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Second child. Hold on. You wait for your card. Alright then.
Thank you.
Alright, now the first adult set.
Ah.
There you go. Alright, last one.
I'm the last one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Whoop.
Thank you.
Have fun inside.
Thank you very much.
So, ito na nga, nakapasok na kami at medyo excited na talaga kami mag-start ng aming araw, try all the rides and attractions here at Universal Studios Singapore.
Now, we have a lot of video here.
Ito nga sa bungad pa lang ay medyo natagalan na kami kasi syempre nagpa-picture muna kami. So, ito nga, nasa bungad pa lang kami pero bumibili na yung mga anak ko ng mga Universal Studios na mga merch. So, ito, meron silang Mario, meron silang Minions, at medyo nakakatuwa naman talaga, no?
Oh, natuloy nakita si Tay. What is that? How much is that? Daddy, what can you say about the gasto? Mario na, lo? It's Mario? Oh. Paldo nas Lucas o Teo. Paldo na. Paldo nas Lucas. Paldo sa gastos. So, are you happy with your purchase?
Yeah.
Yang? Paldo ka. Paldo na. Paldo na.
Picture.
Go ka mo to, dali. Picture. Oh, it's Groove.
Smile. Diyan ka mo, tubang mo.
Natubang. Alilok.
Siyempre ka mo, diyan ka mo.
Okay.
Yo, come on.
Dali guys, dali. Line na talok. Ready. We're gonna line already, look. Ha? Sa Minions. Oh, natuyong. Dali. Look. How about Teo? Teo, are you excited? Young, are you excited? Here we go. Hi, Daddy. Where are we? We're at the Universal Studios. Tuyok na later, look. It's gonna start already. Okay? Daddy.
It's gonna be a long
So, una
ride.
namin sinakyan ay ang Silly Swirly sa Minion Land. So, medyo okay lang siya, no? Pambata talaga at medyo nakakalimutan talaga.
Yes? Yeah. Oh my God.
At
I'm
least
gonna-
make our
I'm going to close my eyes.
At least we
I'm
make
going to vomit.
That's why Daddy nga gamot.
That's it.
将完全停止之前，请
Uy, alok! Daddy Paldo, napod ka. That's your 14 Fire Blaster.
Merong tatlong 3 theme zones ang Minion Land. Meron silang Minion Marketplace, Bruce Neighborhood, and Super Silly Fun Land. Ang sunod na naman naming sinakyan ay ang Buggy Boogie, na na-enjoy talaga ng anak ko, even though no medyo nakakatakot siya kasi medyo mataas yung mga carousel niya. But all in all, sabi ng anak ko, it's rated 10 out of 10. Ang sunod naman naming pinuntahan ay ang Bruce Neighborhood. Dito mo makikita ang Despicable Me Minion Mayhem attraction, which is an immersive motion simulator ride that brings guests on an unpredictable ride through Bruce Supervillain Laboratory. So sa ride na to, medyo nagantay lang kami ng mga at least 5 to 10 minutes, no? Pero mabilis naman talaga yung linya. So hindi na kami kumuha nung Universal Studio Express Pass kasi mabilis naman yung linya. So kung pupunta kayo ng March or April, no, medyo mainit lang. But then I can say na okay lang yung linya. Manageable naman siya at mabilis. Yun nga lang, medyo mainit. So magdala ng fan, habaan ng pasensya, at magdala na rin ng tubig.
Who's in the boots ko na, Daddy? Ah, way labot ang mga tawag init. Uy! The house. I like their house. The boots
So nandito
area.
naman kami sa area ng Puss in the Boots
Hi,
and the Shrimp.
look! Tired na ka mo?
That
Look?
was
Are you tired?
terrifying.
Ha? How was the Minion experience?
Terrifying.
Terrifying. How about did you rate the Minion experience?
10,000
10,000 over 10?
No. 10 out of 10 that hits my head. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay.
So sa mga panahong ito, medyo sobrang init na at na-decide na lang kami muna magpahinga at kumain sandali.
Okay, so where are we now, Young? Where are we?
Singapore.
We are in Universal Studios, Singapore. Okay. And what are to have our late lunch?
Yes.
Which among the rides did you like?
The Minions.
How would you rate it? 10 out of
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
It just bumped my head.
Just bump your head. I have our lunch now.
So for the Universal Studios Singapore ticket that you'll be availing from Klook, may kasama na itong 5 Singaporean dollar na meal voucher.
The bill.
So we paid for a total of 75 Singaporean dollars or 3,750
Magkano, Daddy?
for a meal of 4.
Thank you, Daddy. Did you say thank you to Daddy?
So after lunch, we went inside Shrek's castle for the Shrek's 4D adventure. So we can say na na-enjoy talaga namin itong ride na to kasi 4D interactive siya. So gumagalaw yung upuan, mafe-feel mo yung hangin, which is tugma din sa pinapanood. So ang sunod naman namin pinuntahan yung Lost World theme zone ng Universal Studios Singapore, which is the Jurassic Park. Itong Lost World theme zone ng Universal Studios Singapore ay may popular 2 rides. First is your Jurassic Park Rapids Adventure and the Water World, which is hindi na namin nasakyan. So medyo sayang lang talaga, no? But we still enjoy this park. Isa sa mga ginawa namin dito sa Jurassic World ay ang magpa-picture kasama si Blue.
If you want to say hello to Blue, you can wave your hand, just flat palm there.
Alright, look your lights, camera action!
Alright everyone, big smile, let's see those eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you!
Meron kaming dalawang rides na gusto sana namin masukin dito sa Jurassic World. Yung Rapids Adventure and the Canopy Flyer, which is the suspended
Gonna line for
coaster.
this one.
But hindi kami sure kung pwede na ba or makakapasok na ba yung bunso namin or pasok na ba yung height niya for the ride.
In the Jurassic Park, we're gonna ride the rides that were allowed.
There is one, there's one. After namin mag-ikot-ikot sa may Jurassic
so this
Park,
is the
dito
Mummy.
naman kami sa may The Mummy Revenge.
Say hi, Daddy! Hi!
Sa mga oras na to, medyo tirik na talaga yung araw. Kaya nagrereklamo na yung dalawang Junakis namin kasi mainit na, pagod na rin sila at medyo uhaw na rin.
Daddy! Daddy!
So, ang ginawa namin dito, medyo nagpahipahinga na lang and tapos naglakad-lakad at nagpa-picture within the Revenge of the Mummy. Hindi na rin namin nasakyan yung mga rides or attractions dito sa area na to.
Yung sa-
Kasi as I've mentioned, medyo pagod at mainit na talaga yung mga panahon na to. So for me, no, medyo kulang talaga yung isang araw to explore the Universal Studios Singapore. Saka kung may budget naman kayo, why not? No, 2 araw yun na.
So, you're tired?
Gusto ko sana sakyan tong Battlestar Galactica pero since napakainit,
Yes,
and
anak,
at the
wait
same
lang.
time, ayaw din namin na iwanan yung dalawang bata. Kaya ayun, nagpahinga na lang kami sa gilid.
Coke is made of cola.
To all the pigeons and the crows, I give them a 5 of 10. They like it. Yeah, they're cute. The little pigeons. Yeah.
After namin magpahinga, ang sunod namin pinuntahan ay itong Transformers The Ride, the ultimate 3D battle at Universal Studios Singapore. This attraction is an immersive indoor motion simulator ride that puts the guests in the middle of a battle against Decepticons. So dito, papasok pa lang kami at nakita namin si Bumblebee. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi kami magpa-picture, ano? Yung linya dito ay hindi naman talaga matagal, no? Nagantay lang kami ng mga at least 5 minutes para makapasok sa The Transformers. So, swerte talaga kami sa mga panahon na to kasi unti yung tao and at the same time, medyo mabilis naman yung linya. Ang isa ring tip na natutunan namin, no, is pag talagang sobrang init na sa labas, papasok kami para magpa-aircon.
One. 4.
So finally, after sa medyo mahaba-habang para, nakapagpapit kami ng sila. So kung makikita nyo, no, parang ako yata at saka yung daddy nila yung excited para sa ride. Natutuwa talaga kami ng daddy niya dito. No? So parang kami talaga yung nag-enjoy sa attraction.
It's Devastator. Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with...
After namin mag-ride, nandito naman kami
You don't
sa
like to
may
wait
Hollywood
anymore?
theme
Oh my
zone
gosh.
ng Universal Studios. Bali, naglakad-lakad na lang din kami dito, nagpahinga at nag-sightseeing. Merong mga popular live shows at street performances dito sa Universal Studios Singapore, like your Waterworld stunt, your Lights Camera Action, and the Trolls Hug Time Jubilee.
What?
Sayang nga lamang at hindi na namin ito napanood kasi medyo pagod na at talagang medyo moody na rin talaga yung aming mga anak dahil siguro sa sobrang pagod at
It's 3,000.
Of the cart because what? It got me thinking, what if it was real life?
what? Kahit sobrang init, pagod at medyo gutom na kami dito, no, I can say na nag-enjoy talaga kami. Nag-enjoy talaga namin ang aming oras at pag-ikot at pagsakay sa mga rides dito sa Universal Studios Singapore. Ang pinakauli naming nasakyan ay itong Sesame Street Spaghetti Space Chase. Ito yung ride na pinaka nagustuhan ng aking bunsong anak dahil siguro napakasimple, medyo interactive din siya, and at the same time, chill lang talaga yung ride na to. Hindi lang anak namin ang nag-enjoy sa ride nito, nag-enjoy din kaming mag-asawa. Dahil siguro, ang Sesame Street ay parte ng ating kabataan. Para sa hindi man nakakaalam, ang Sesame Street ay ipinilabas din dito sa Pilipinas. Ito ay naiumpisa noong 1984 at ipinilabas dito sa Pilipinas noong mga late 1990s.
Daddy! Kuya Lok! Kuya Lucas!
Is that the meatball? Meatball. That was so fun.
Yeah, so fun.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I'm in.
So, we're almost at the end of our tour sa Universal Studios Singapore. So, at this time, nagpicture-picture na lang talaga yung mga anak ko. Papakita ko nga pala ang breakdown ng aming gastusin sa Universal Studios. After namin mag-picture-picture at gumawa ng video para sa aming TikTok, nag-decide na kami umuwi. So, yun lang. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!